Assalamu alaikum, students of class 8. Today we are going to start our chapter number 8 of your grammar book on page number 149. This is about your sentence and parts of speech. When we want to say something, we use words. We generally use words in different combinations. A combination of word which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Like you can say that she goes to school. Where do you live? How foolish I have been. So, examples of like this, we come to know that the words used in a sentence are divided in different kinds of or classes according to the work they play in a sentence. These kinds of classes are called parts of speech. They are 8 in numbers. The first one is noun, then pronoun. Third one is adjective. Fourth, preposition. Fifth, verb. Sixth, adverb. Seventh, conjunction. And the last one is interjection. Now next we will discuss these all parts of speech one by one. So the topic of today is noun. Noun is a word we use to name a person, a place, or a thing. We can see, touch, smell, hear, taste, or think of. For example, the thing we can think of mean an idea is also included in nouns. Look at these sentences. You can easily identify that what a noun is. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a great leader. The Indus is the longest river in Pakistan. Please don't make a noise. So, in these three sentences, Muhammad Ali Jinnah is a name of a person. Leader is also a person. Pakistan is a place. The Indus is a thing. And don't make a noise. Noise is a idea, a thing which come in our mind. So nouns have are classified in different categories. First of all, we will learn about the nouns. Number nouns, there are two types of number nouns in English. There are two numbers in English, singular and plurals. The singular numbers denotes one person or thing, and the plural numbers more than one person or thing. Now we move to the next one page number 150. In this page, some nouns and their plurals are given here. And full page is a group of nouns are given here. And I will let you know the different kind of pattern how you can make the nouns from singular to plurals. Most of the time we use s or es after the noun to make a singular noun to plural one. But the name, how we can identify that we use s or es with that. With which names, with which nouns we will use s, or with which nouns we use es. So this is quite not very difficult thing. The nouns which are ending with s, double s, sh, ch, o, double o, z and x. If the nouns are ending with these letters, we will put es after the verb, after the noun, sorry. So and the other remaining ones, if the noun is ending with the other consonants, we will put s after the noun. So another example of, if the word is ending with f and before f there is f or fe, and we will skip that f or fe and we write down ves to make them plurals. Like some examples of given, this type of examples are given, like wolf, wolf, and it is ending with f, so we skip the word f and we will write ves after the noun to make that noun plural. Same is the case with knife. So students, on page number 151, there is also given a lot of examples of singular and plurals, and you come to know that the nouns ending with y, you just and before y there is a consonant, so you will skip the y and ies will be put to make that noun plural. But if the noun is ending with y and before y there is uh, vowel letter, so you will not make any changes, you just add s after the noun. A lot of examples of nouns are such kind that we that are irregular forms, and you have to make different changes, and you can learn that changes by heart, because like if there is a word man, you will add e in place of a, that the plural will be men. Like woman, women, you just add e between them, no s or es will be added after that. Foot, f-double-o-t, foot, you will add double e instead of double o. Goose, same is the case with goose. Child, a totally different one, children. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Such a words have irregular and we don't have any rules and regulations to make the plurals of these ones. Here is a collective group of words like brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law. If such a type of words come in the in your contact or come in your view, and you have to make the plurals of that ones. So some different rules are there, that we don't put s or es after the last one word. We just look at the main nouns, and we add s or es after that nouns to make them plurals, like brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Like stepbrother, at the end of this one we will come stepbrothers, stepsisters. Court martial, courts martial, we will not put s after martial. Hanger on, hangers on. Looker on, lookers on. Passerby, passers by. Mr, misters. Miss, mrs, miss, mrs, miss dams. So such different type of words are given here, and they have different rules and regulations I have shared with you, and you can learn all these nouns by heart. Now look at, there are some nouns used only in a plural sense, like trousers, jeans, riches, spectacles, and tidings, scissors. These are the nouns which are always used in a plural sense. There are also some nouns which have s after them, but we use it in a singular way, like news. News is always in a singular. Mathematics, it is ending with s, but it is a singular, always used in a singular way. Physics, medicines, innings, and politics. Okay, now again, there is also another kind of a noun which is gender, which shows that the difference of sex. It is of four kinds. A noun that denotes a male is called masculine gender, like lion, boy, Adnan, etc. But a noun that denotes female is said of feminine gender. A noun that denotes either sex is said to be, like for both genders are that word is used, that is called common gender, like cousin, baby, friend. It may be a female baby or a male baby. It may be a female friend or a male friend. A noun that denotes lifeless things is said to be a neuter gender, like apple, book, knife. We don't can discriminate any gender between them. So here is a list of genders, masculine and feminine is given. Then some common verbs and their nouns are given here. So Another examples of these type of common nouns and common verbs, to make them nouns, are also given in the page on page number 152. You yourself read it out, and you understand it, and you learn it by heart. Okay students, Allah Hafiz. I hope so that you have come to know the first one parts of speech, the noun, quite clearly, and you can learn these pages very easily. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye.